Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Arman FJ. We're going to do a quick comparison on a couple of phone holders, all right? Now these phone holders are pretty versatile and offer a lot of functionality. Now let's go ahead and get started and take a look at them. Okay, on the left hand side we have this IMStick, that's by the Stick company. This is the IMStick phone holder. And then this is the PopSocket Grip Slide Stretch PopSocket holder right here, all right? Now, as I said, both of these offer a lot of functionality and you can do different things with them in some cases as well. We'll go ahead and look at that and see what these are all about. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to keep both of these in the scene so we can look at them as we're in real time as we are doing the review. All right, now with the Stick company, you have a multiple piece set. Now this is a soft side right here, but this is a magnet side right here. And you have two-sided because you can use this on a tripod. You see the 1/4" screw right there. So that's pretty good. Now, the other thing is that they have this other piece that's a magnet. This is a metal that goes on your case or your phone. I have it on the case in this instance right here. So this is on the Galaxy Note 10 right now, all right? And as you can see, this sticks and it's a strong magnet. It's very strong. You heard it when it snapped just now, and it's very strong, all right? And you can see this thing is not going to come off. It doesn't shake, doesn't come off. So good grip right there. Now you can't use this like that, but you can use this as a grip as well. All right, let me pull this off. Now this is the Note 20 Ultra. This is the slide grip right here, and it's pretty functional. You can slide it up and down, so that's cool. Different parts of the phone. If you don't want to use it, you can slide it up, or if you want to put it lower or higher, however you want the phone to be in your finger, you got some versatility there to do that. All right, so that's pretty cool. Okay, I like that functionality right there. All right. Okay, let's check out the kickstand functionality on both of these. Now, both can be used as a kickstand. As you can see, you got this right here. It sits like that. See how it sits on the back right there? And with this one, it sits on, you got this. Now you have to put the coil inside. I just ran that through the loop right there. And you can put that down as a kickstand. Now, the reason why I think this one is better is because you can angle it at different angles, okay? So you can use the coil and you can change the angle of your viewing angle. So that's good right there, all right? This one doesn't do that. So the IMStick will definitely win that category right there as far as the kickstand category. More versatile, you got more use. You can change this around. You can use this even sitting down this way. So it's very versatile, all right? So the IMStick definitely gets the nod on that one, all right? Plus you can still use this as a holder, all right? To move around the phone really good. And you can put this anywhere you want it, all right? You can wrap it around the coil and get rid of it, take it out totally, or if you want to have some flexibility, this is good. And there's more use for that, and I'll show in a little bit, okay? Now let's look at wireless charge. Now with wireless charge, you can charge the PopSocket grip slider. You can use it for wireless charging, okay? You got it. Now this phone doesn't work with wireless charging, but you can do that. All right, you just set it on the charger and it'll work, okay? These are models, by the way. And this one, you're just not going to be able to do it, okay? You're not going to be able to use wireless charging with this one because this magnet here will prevent you from doing that, all right? Even if you take this off and using this right here, wherever you got it at on the phone, it's likely going to block the coil, all right? So you won't be able to do that, all right? Now, we've looked at using these as a phone holder, phone grip. They both work similarly, except this one has more functionality, I think, more versatile. This one is pretty versatile as well, but this one is better. All right, so in those two categories of phone grip and the kickstand, this IMStick is better, all right? It works much better than that, okay? Than the one on the right here, the slider grip. So, but that's where the similarities end. Okay, so the other thing that we looked at was wireless charge. The PopSocket grip wins there because it will wireless charge if you position this in the right place and you can move it around. Because it's so flexible to move around on the phone, you can do that, all right? So that one wins in that category, all right? Now, that's where the similarities begin to end right there, okay? Now we're gonna look at a couple more areas where these phone grips differ. Okay, so here's another look at these phone holders, and here's where the IMStick begins to run away with the versatility and functionality. Now, what I did was I took off the magnet that was on the IMStick and I placed it on a tripod. As you can see, I told you that it had that functionality at the very beginning. So on a tripod, and so now you're gonna stick your phone right there, all right? So your phone is on a tripod, ready to go, and you can angle it. You can put it in landscape or portrait, no problem, it's easy. This will not do that. So the functionality for that doesn't exist, all right? So definitely the IMStick is a winner right there, all right? Okay, one of the other ways you can use this phone holder is, as you can see, I have it on the stair head right here. And I got it wrapped around with the coil, and it's holding in place pretty well. Now, the other thing, this magnet will be able to use the phone. You can put it on the magnet and it'll hold the phone there, and you can record in places you wouldn't otherwise be able to record, okay? So here's the phone on the magnet, and it's holding in place pretty well. Lots of versatility there. You can put this on a tree or anywhere else, a rail, anywhere, and you can record because you can hook it on with this magnet right here in this coil, all right? Okay, so that was a quick look at two phone holders. One is the IMStick made by the Stick Company, and the other is the PopSocket grip slider made by PopSocket. All right, these are pretty good phone holders. I recommend both of them, except the IMStick's going to give you a lot more functionality and a lot more versatility. All right, so this one wins in the comparison category, but this one is good as well. All right, so you probably aren't going to go wrong depending on what you want to use it for. All right, now if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.